Good afternoon, friends. Today is my first day in Manali, and today is 29 March 2024. I came from Delhi by Lakshmi Holidays Volvo 9600 in the morning. The whole morning I was busy in an online training. Now I just got free and I'm walking towards the mall road. Today I'm not going to do much of activities. I'm going to go to Himachal Tourism office and book my ticket for the Solang Valley trip tomorrow. And this video will be very short, will give you an idea about the Manali town and the Manali Mall Road in particular. You have a lot of hotels in this area, and in the Mall Road you have all the budget hotels as well as there are a lot of food options. Friends, I was very busy with work and could not come out with this video earlier. There was a gap, but now you're going to get my videos regularly on my channel. If you like my video, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to like, give a thumbs up to my video, and if possible subscribe to my channel. Then you're going to get all the updates for the future videos. Friends, right now I'm on the Mall Road. On the left hand side you have the Himachal Tourism office. If you're planning to visit Manali and you want to do the sightseeing on budget, Himachal Tourism is a good option. It have sightseeing tour of most of the places, and this is a very good area to do your shopping for your friends and families. I'm going to explore these areas to some extent and then get back to my hotel and take some rest, and again plan to come in the evening, have my dinner. That's about it today, so just enjoy my video till the end.